Welcome to another review video from How to Webmaster. Today, I am reviewing Videly. This is an over-the-top YouTube marketing tool that claims to give you top ranking with just a few clicks. I gotta give it to them, the sales page is awesome. There's a lot of promises of easy rankings by simply using this 3-click program. The price is cheap as well. Get top rankings for your YouTube videos easily and make a boatload of money, and you get all of this for the price of $27. They claim to have spent years reverse engineering the Google YouTube ranking algorithm, and here's a nice diagram showing the results. Basically, it boils down to using Videly and using the right keywords in the titles, descriptions, and tags. Absolutely nothing new here. Essentially, Videly program works by following these 3 steps. Find untapped keywords. Generate some SEO optimized titles and descriptions. Step 3 is to copy and paste the titles, tags, and descriptions. Then sit back, relax, and enjoy swimming in money. Okay, let's get back to reality. Thankfully, they put a demo video showing us how Videly really works. Let's check it out. Basically, you start off by searching for some keywords inside of Videly, and the program gives you a list of some keyword ideas. Now select a keyword to let Videly generate the SEO optimized titles and description. In this example, the keyword being targeted is video marketing agency in Bronx. On the right side here is the automatically generated title, description, and tags. I must say that this is absolutely spam garbage. Let's look at the title. Video marketing agency in Bronx, followed by a dash and video marketing agency in Atlanta, Georgia. The title does not even make sense. It is targeting 2 different cities in 2 different states. Now look at the description. It is filled with keyword stuffing, spam, grammatical errors, and overall reads like a 5-year-old kid wrote it. Read this line out loud and have a good laugh. If you are a serious video content creator or a legit marketing agency and your video's title and description reads like this, your channel or business will look like a total idiot or a spammer. In conclusion, Videly is a spam-looking tool and a waste of money. If you want a real YouTube marketing tool, I'll leave some better alternatives down below in the video description. I will be making more videos on legitimate YouTube marketing and ranking tools. Please subscribe for my new video updates. Thanks so much for viewing, and until next time, happy marketing.